Hello and welcome to Crochet Smash. Today we are going to make a square like this one. I already made two in the same color combination. I am going to make 4 or 5, and the beginning of this square, the up to 1 2 3 3 rows, it is shown in another video as well, and the final round is different in that video. This is going to be like a granny square. Okay, so let us begin. The colors I am using is Bernett Premium Green, Bernett Premium Coral Reef, and Bernett Premium White. Okay, here are my colors. I'm going to start with the Coral Reef, and I'm going to use a 5mm crochet hook. So we start with the magic circle. I'm going to make a chain 1. Then I'm going to make 8 single crochet in this round. 8 single crochet, and we will join with a slip stitch. To make a magic circle and crocheting single crochet on the magic circle, pick up a loop, then make a chain 1, then insert the hook into the magic circle, then bring up the yarn over the hook again, bring the yarn through 2 loops on the hook. That is 1 single crochet. So our first round is completed with 8 single crochet. Now we will attach the second color, which is white, and we will continue working on it. So let us start with attaching this white. I'm going to insert my hook into one of the stitches, get that yarn up, then make a chain 1, which is not considered as a stitch yet, then make a single crochet. Then we will make, as it in the previous video, I will give a link to that, 1 2 3 chains, and using this single crochet as a post, we are going to make 3 double crochet. 1 2 3. Then we skip the next stitch and we join to the next one with a single crochet. Then repeat the same thing 3 more times. Refer to the previous video which is linked to this video, and we will see when this round is done. Now we finished the second round. We are going to cut the yarn. Now on the third round we are going to use the green color. Here I am going to attach, this has the valleys and crests. The top, this one kind of going up, then going down to a valley. So I am going to attach my yarn in one of the valleys here. I'm going to insert the hook in here, getting the yarn with the hook, bring it up, then make a chain, then go inside and bring up again and make a single crochet. we are going to do the same stitch pattern, chain 3, and in single crochet as the post we are going to make a 3 double crochet. To the difference here is we are going to make a single crochet into the top here, the crust, the top, the bump or the hill, whatever, the top of the chain 3 here. Then we are going to repeat the pattern, chain 3 and make a 3 double crochet. 1 2 and 3. Then we are going to go to the valley again and make a single crochet. Repeat it all around. You will have 8 clusters. Now we finish the third round. I can cut the yarn and finish that round. Now to make this as a granny square, we start with this one. I am going to go with the same color and we will do the granny stitch along. Now this round I am going to work only in the low points or the valleys in this round, in the green round. So let us attach the yarn over, okay, any of the dips. Actually I am going to make a slip stitch, then leave it there, then bring it and chain 1 2 3 4 5, and I am going to make 3 double crochet, 2 3. Then I am going to make a single crochet on the chain 3 of the previous round. Then I am moving to the next dip and I am going to make 3 double crochet. Okay, now I am going to make a single crochet into this chain 3. Then again going to go to the next valley and making 3 double crochet, then make a chain 2 and make 3 more double crochet. See, this is the corner. Now I am going to single crochet into this one. That's a chain 3, right? So now I am going to make 3 double crochet. Then I am going to make a single crochet on the chain 3. Then I am going to make another corner like a 3 double crochet, chain 2, 1 and 2, then 3 more double crochet, 1 2 and 3. Then we are going to make a single crochet again. Then we are going to the next dip and make 3 double crochet. So we are going to make another corner in here. Then we make the side, that is 3 double crochet. Then we are going to make a single crochet. Then it is time to make the next corner. We already made half of it, so we are going to make 2 more double crochet. The first chain 5 is considered as the double crochet and chain 2, so leave the 2 and the slip stitch to the top of that chain 3. We can cut the yarn. There's a lot of yarn tails to weave in. Once it is all done, it will look like this. The back is like this, front is like this. If you like this video, please share to your friends and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I'll see you next time with another pattern. Till then, bye bye.